For today, let's look at this interesting question regarding computing the square. Here is a question. Suppose x, y are integers, satisfy x squared plus y squared equals x plus 2y plus 8. We are asked to find all the possible value of x, y. Please have a good try before you look at the answer. From the condition that x squared plus y squared equals x plus 2y plus 8, we reach to write in the form a squared plus b squared equals to some constant c, where a is in terms of x and b is in terms of y. To do this, we multiply 4 to each of the terms. We obtain 4x squared plus 4y squared equals 4x plus 8y plus 32. Subtract 4x and subtract 8y from both sides. So we obtain 4x squared minus 4x plus 4y squared minus 8y equals 32. In addition, we can add 1 and 4 to both sides in some order as shown. The first three terms on the left hand side can be written as 2x minus 1 squared, and the next three terms of the left hand side can be written as 2y minus 2 squared. Whereas for the right hand side, it is 37, and we know that 37 can be written as 1 squared plus 6 squared. And this is the only way to write as a squared plus b squared. Then we know that 2x minus 1 equals to 1 and 2y minus 2 equals to 6, or 2x minus 1 equals to 1, 2x minus 2 equals to negative 6, or 2x minus 1 equals to negative 1, 2y minus 2 equals to 6, 2x minus 1 equals to negative 1, and 2y minus 2 equals to negative 6. We conclude that xy equals 1, 4, 1, negative 2, 0, 4, and 0, negative 2. So these are the four answers that we can obtain. Using GeoGebra, we can sketch the graph. For the graph represented by x squared plus y squared equals x plus 2y plus 8 is actually an ellipse. As shown, for this ellipse, it will pass through 4 integral points. And it is not difficult to see that these 4 points correspond to the answer that we obtain. So these are the answers that we obtained today. Hope that you learned something new today and enjoyed the video. That's all for today's lesson. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.